So the question is, how can you take this feeling of serenity that you have with you when you're away and bring it to your family, bring it to your day-to-day life? That's the question that I've been thinking about since I came here.
The reason I look like this is because here we need to be protected from the wind and the sand in our eyes, in our mouth. So I'm like this. Turn around, see how nice this place is. Boy, it's time for another great Shir Daf Hayomi.